Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to ears in photopea. Let's get started. See this and click eraser tool. Select the brush tool, right click and see this eraser tool. Click eraser tool and press bracket. Right click without hardness, opacity 100% and with hardness. Okay, and again click a new layer, click a shape, right click rasterize, then iris. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.